In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a cell in Google Sheets. Let's start at the very beginning so nothing's missed. Open your browser and head to Google's homepage. From there, look toward the top right for the grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps button. This is the quickest way to jump straight into your workspace without hunting for bookmarks. Click that grid icon and choose Sheets. This opens Google Sheets so you can get to your spreadsheets in just a couple of clicks. Once Sheets loads, open the document you want to work in. If it's already open in another tab, you can switch to it. Otherwise, select it from your recent files. Now, decide which cell will hold your link text. Click into that cell and type the word or short phrase you want to become clickable. Keep it clear and descriptive, something like View Report or Go to Totals, so anyone using the sheet understands exactly what the link will do. After you've typed the text, right-click directly on it. This brings up a context menu with formatting and action options tailored to what you selected. From that menu, choose Insert Link. You'll see a small link box pop up that's ready for your destination. In the link box, you have two straightforward choices. If you want this text to open a web page, paste the URL into the field. If instead you want to link within your spreadsheet, look at the suggestions that appear below. Sheets will often show options like other tabs in your file or ranges it detects. Choose the relevant sheet, cell, or range from those suggestions to create an internal jump, perfect for navigating to a specific total, a summary table, or a detail section without scrolling. Once you've pasted the URL or selected from the suggestions, confirm the link. The text in your cell will now be underlined and clickable. Click it to test and make sure it goes exactly where you expect. If you ever need to adjust it, repeat the same right-click and use the link option to update the destination or change the display text. A couple of quick tips as you work. If you only want part of a sentence to be linked, first edit the cell, highlight just that portion of text, and then right-click to insert the link. And if you're sharing the sheet with others, choose Clear Link Text so collaborators immediately understand what they're opening. That's it. Simple, fast, and very handy for cleaner, more navigable spreadsheets.